only one for me, the one that makes my life complete. Yeah, and when I find that girl, I hold her down, I swear that girl, she'll be the one that conquers me. You never see it coming.
Get on my dance.
And the next thing you know,
Region 3, let me hear you. East Rural St. Andrew, let me hear you. Comrades, my heart full satil tonight. We feel nice, don't? Yes, comrades, Jamaica, our country, is crossing a river, a rough river, comrades. And we've had a very powerful leader, a very compassionate leader in our Prime Minister, Comrade Portia Simpson-Miller. Comrades, our Prime Minister, our comrade leader, has taken us halfway across the river. But we're not done. Comrades, we cannot allow what has been accomplished, the foundation that has been built, the foundation to be washed away down the river midstream. We have to hold the course. Right, comrades? And comrades, our founding father, Norman Washington Manley, said, we must be the generation to achieve economic independence. This PNP administration, comrades, through a tough time, has shown exactly what it means to have fixity of purpose and continuity of effort. As I, Imani Duncan-Price, comrades, I can say with passion and certainty that we are on the right path. And comrades, don't let nobody fool you. Don't let nobody fool you. Passing 10 IMF tests has done a world of good for the Jamaican economy. This means that our conditions are fertile for us to keep planting the seeds and attracting the right local investments and global investments and keep growing, comrades. In the World Bank Doing Business report, we have moved from 85 in 2011 to number 64 in 2015. Yes, comrades, because of the work of the PNP-led government, Jamaica is now the best country in the Caribbean in which to do business. This is our country. And we are the top Caribbean country for foreign direct investment. These are real things, comrades. And comrades, let me tell you, we know the last 4 years have been rough, but we must never forget where we are coming from, and we know where we need to go. Under the GLP administration of Shaw and Holness, Jamaica was in a dark and desolate place. There was no confidence or trust in Jamaica. We had lost credibility as a country and as an economy, comrades. Our sweet, sweet Jamaica did mash up. And comrades, if that is prosperity, we don't want it. Not that type of prosperity. We want real prosperity. So comrades, let me explain what these things in the economy mean to us. We know that when the stock market grows, and we are the best performing stock market in the world, we know when it grows, it means there is business confidence. And when there is business confidence, more jobs are created. Comrades, when Jamaica grows, you grow. Foreign direct investment, comrades, in tourism and the business process outsourcing means more jobs as well as more small businesses benefiting from the rich and investment climate. Comrades, when Jamaica grows, you grow. And comrades of Region 3, listen to me carefully here. With the North-South Highway that opens in March, Kingston opens up as a tourist destination. Small businesses for tours, crafts, restaurants, food, services, here in our capital city and all along the corridor will benefit. When Jamaica grows, you grow, comrades. So comrades, Jamaica is once again the jewel of the Caribbean. And with that, Portia Haffi rowed a boat to the shore. Young people, comrades, young people will be able to find more jobs and move up in their life. So Portia Haffi rowed a boat to the shore. And comrades, our hard-working, resourceful men can continue to confidently play their part in supporting their families, not just financially, but spend more time with them children. So comrades, Portia Haffi rowed a boat to the shore. And finally, comrades, our strong, resilient women who head nearly half of all the households in Jamaica will be able to create even stronger foundations for their children. So comrades, Portia Haffi rowed a boat to the shore. So in closing, comrades, I say with conviction, comrades, we have built the economic foundation to go the distance. This PNP government must be given the chance to continue the work that will create real abundance and improvement in the quality of life for all Jamaicans. So comrades, let's do the work and make sure Portia Simpson-Miller row the boat to the shore. One heart, one love, comrades. Blessings.